गुड मॉर्निंग, वेलकम टू डेली मार्केट मंत्रा विद एसएमसी, जहां हम मार्केट अपडेट्स, टेक्निकल अपडेट्स और बाकी सेक्टर स्पेसिफिक अपडेट्स डिस्कस करेंगे टू हेल्प यू गेट एन एज इन योर इन्वेस्टमेंट जर्नी. So let's begin with the global market updates for today. The Indian market is likely to open on a flat note following a mixed trend in global markets. Most of the Asian share benchmarks fell on Thursday as markets digested the implications of policymakers in major economies preferring to take patient approach to monetary easing amid sticky inflation. US stocks fell on Wednesday as investors digested minutes of the Federal Reserve's most recent meeting, but Nvidia's shares rose about 6% after the close on a semiconductor bellwether's stronger than expected revenue forecast. Oil prices eased for a fourth straight day on Thursday on worries that US borrowing costs could be hiked again if inflation surged, a move that could hurt oil demand. Back at home, ITC, Interglobe Aviation, Page Industries, Fortis Healthcare, CESC, Finelix Cables, Bikaji Foods International, JK Lakshmi Cement, Orchid Pharma, Gabriel India, Steel Strips Wheels Tata Investment Corp and Schneider Electric Infrastructure are among the major firms scheduled to announce their March quarter results today. As per provisional figures, the foreign institutional investors, the FIIs, or the foreign portfolio investors, the FPIs, sold shares worth net 686.04 crore and domestic institutional investors bought shares worth net 961.91 crore on 22nd May 2024. गिफ्ट निफ्टी 0.16% के लॉस के साथ ट्रेड कर रहा है, इंडिकेटिंग अ नेगेटिव स्टार्ट. सेंसेक्स वाज अप बाय 0.36% एंड क्लोज्ड एट 74221. बैंक निफ्टी क्लोज्ड एट 47781 with a loss of 0.55%. Nifty closed at 22597 with a gain of 0.31%. Nifty future also closed at 22657 with a gain of 0.27%. US markets को देखते हैं. Dow Jones was down by 0.18% and Nasdaq Composite was down by 0.51%. Sector specific updates देखें तो FMCG and energy are the sectors which are likely to outperform and साथ ही underperform करने वाले sectors रहेंगे auto and bank. Let's talk about the macro news now. A report released by the Energy Information Administration on Wednesday showed an unexpected rebound in US crude oil inventories in the week ended May 17th. The EIA said crude oil inventories rose by 1.8 million barrels last week after falling by 2.5 million barrels in the previous week. Economists had expected crude oil inventories to slump up by 3.1 million barrels. Despite the monthly increase, US crude oil inventories remain about 3% below the 5-year average for this time of year at 458.8 million barrels. तो ये थे आज के अपडेट्स फ्रॉम एसएमसी ग्लोबल. ऑल द सोशल्स हैव बीन लिंक्ड इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो. मिलते हैं कल फिर कुछ न्यू अपडेट्स के साथ. अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा हो तो डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक द वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब टू एसएमसी ग्लोबल्स यूट्यूब चैनल फॉर मोर सच अपडेट्स. थैंक यू.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.